Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna see about data mining processes. It means the steps involved in the data mining. So first step is problem definition. Second one is data gathering and preparation. Third one is model building and evaluation. And last one is knowledge deployment. So let's see each and every in details. And after each, we'll try to see the practical example of these steps. So let's start. First one is problem definition. So what the problem definition is? Simply problem definition focus on understanding the project objective and requirement. Understanding the project objective and requirement in terms of business perspective. So in problem definition we will try to identify, we will try to understand the objective and requirements. It means why we are going to perform data mining. What is our objective or what is the requirement behind the performing such data mining. So we'll try to focus on project and project objective and requirements in terms of business perspective. For example, how can I sell more of my product to customer? This might also be an objective. Or which customer are most likely to purchase the product? This can also be the objective, or this can also be the requirement for a business. So let's see second one, data gathering and preparation. Simply data gathering means data collection and exploration. Data collection and exploration, and then identify data quality patterns in data. So what is meant by data quality? While we collect the data, there may be so much data that will be useless or senseless. So we will try to identify the data quality. It means how much good quality of the data is, and then we will try to boycott or we will try to eliminate the senseless or useless data. So first of all we will try to identify quality, data quality and patterns in the data. The next point is the data preparation phase covers all the tasks involved in the build the model, involved to build the model. What it means, in next step we will build a model. What is meant by model? We have already studied in the subject artificial intelligence, right? So no need to talk more about model. So in next step we gonna build a model. So in data gathering and preparation phase, data preparation phase covers all the tasks involved to build the model. It means before building the model there may be so much tasks. So this data preparation phase covers all the tasks that is required to build the model. And data preparation tasks are likely to perform multiple and not in any prescribed order. What it means, while we will try to prepare data, while we will try to prepare data to make the quality better, it can be performed multiple times. Data preparation can be performed multiple times, in iterative manner to make more and more good quality of data. And it may not be in any prescribed order, because we may try to implement different techniques to make the quality of data better. So simply data gathering means collection of data, and data preparation means to use such techniques to make the quality of data good or better. Third point is model building and evolution. So in model building, various model building techniques are applied and calibrated the parameters to optimal values. So in this phase we'll try to implement various model building techniques to build a model, right? And what is model evaluation means? Model evaluation means we'll try to evaluate how will the model satisfy the originally stated business goals. In first phase we have stated our business goals, so we will evaluate, we will test that how much the model satisfy our previously or originally stated business goal. So simply model building means we'll try to implement different modeling technique to build the model, and model evaluation means we will try to test that how much this model is satisfying the originally stated business goal. And the last one is knowledge deployment. What the knowledge deployment means? Knowledge deployment use the data mining within a target environment. Now, in the target environment, we will use data mining, right? Knowledge deployment insight and actionable information can be derived from the data. In knowledge deployment phase, insight and actionable information can be derived from the data. What it means? Simply, in these three phases, we have already built a model. So now in knowledge deployment phase, we'll try to implement this model or implement this or use this data mining within a target environment. Now we will take some test data and we'll try to identify according to the model we have already built. And in the this phase also, in this phase, insights and actionable information can be derived from the data. So this was about the data mining processes. So let's take a practical example. Simply, if we want to apply the data mining technique in the medical field, so let's take a example of cancer. Like we will try to identify the patient, whether the patient is suffered from the cancer or not. So what we'll do? First of all, we will go to phase problem definition. So first we are defining our problem. So what our problem is, or what our goal is, or what our objective is. Our objective is to find whether the patient is suffered from the cancer or not. So problem definition phase has been completed. Now data gathering and preparation. What the data gathering means? What the data gathering in the sense of this context? So in data gathering, we will gather all the symptoms of the patient that have previously been suffered from the cancer. So we'll gather all the symptoms or all the exactly, we will try to gather all the symptoms that previously in the past time the patient have been suffered, and they might have given some symptoms. So we'll try to gather all the symptoms of the cancer patients, and we'll try to prepare the data. What the preparation means? We will boycott some extreme data, so that these extreme data might be senseless in the context of data building, model building. So we'll try to prepare data to make the quality of data best and better and better. And the third phase will be model building and evolution. So on the basis of gathered data, or by using the gathered data, we'll try to build model. We'll try to build model by using different model building techniques, and then we will evaluate that whether our built model is working properly or not, whether our built model is satisfying our problem definition or not. And in the last stage, we will use the built model in the target environment. Now we will practically implement this built model to identify whether the new patient is suffered from, whether the new suspect is suffered from the cancer or not. So this was about the data mining processes. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give the feedback in the comment box, and don't forget to share and subscribe.